Hey everyone, we have a brake caliper refinish and rebuild. Just showcasing these BMW F8X M3, M4 front calipers, 4-piston Brembos that were refinished in a hot yellow powder coat, fully rebuilt, new bleeder valves, of course all the internal, external seals, dust boots, all have been replaced with brand new. And we did cut out some the BMW M logo caliper decals for the customer to apply. He wanted them in all black. I believe he's fitting these on a 3 Series, so this is a common kind of brake caliper retrofit for the 3 Series models. If you guys have any brake calipers that need refinishing and rebuilding, we can definitely take care of you. Check us out at VisionAutoworks.com, and under the chassis products, you can check out our brake caliper rebuilding service. And this video will be posted there, along with some other photos of some other calipers we've done. Give us a call or email. Pricing is going to vary depending on caliper size, how many calipers we're doing. A lot of that is going to be variable, so definitely reach out to us if you need this service done. Again, that's visionautowworks.com.